Antimicrobial is an additional line of defence beyond antibacterial. An antimicrobial substance is one that kills or inhibits the growth of microorganisms, fungi, or protozoans, as well as bacteria. Antimicrobial products and surfaces have been utilised in a number of different locations, but are most frequently found within healthcare and food preparation environments in an effort to reduce infection and contamination. Perhaps the most popular antimicrobial is silver. Silver ions have been observed reacting with the thiol group in enzymes to inactivate them. Silver ions have also been shown to interact with bacterial DNA and prevent replication, effectively neutralising the strain.